Hello, good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I took on 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I am still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistakes. My today's topic is about myself. I am from Cox's Bazar, but currently I live in Dhaka. Actually, I'm a student. I'm studying BSc Honors first year in Government Bangla College in Chemistry Department. I got my primary education from a primary school in my village named Harbang Residential Model School. I passed my secondary from Purva Harbang Adarsh High School and College. I completed my higher secondary from a college in Chittagong named Kadamali School and College. Along with studies in my college life, I was associated with Rover Scout. So after completing my college life, I was awarded a certificate of Rover Scout. Also, I have successfully completed a 6 months or 360 hours computer office application course from New Vision Information Technology. So I got computer skills certificate from Bangladesh Technical Education Board. Basically, I'm a sports lover. I love to play football. I like to read motivational books in my free time. It makes me self-motivated. I enjoy listening to music on my holiday. I don't like wasting time and dishonest people. In my future, I want to build a successful career where I can utilize my skills and knowledge to be expert chemist in my future plan. To achieve this goal, I am focusing on my studies and constantly trying to improve myself. I believe through hard work and perseverance, I can achieve my goals. At last, I'm telling something about my family. There are 6 members in my family: my father, my mother, my elder brother, my brother's wife, and me and my younger brother. I feel lucky to have them as family. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.